Rub your TV gently, okay? What we're trying to do right now is we're trying to get the connection back. As you can see, the crack is gone, okay? It was just a loose connection. Hello guys, my name is Keith Lee and I work for BBC Electrical Company. Over there we make things, we repair things like TV, iPhones, radios, or anything else you can think of which is electronic. Sometimes microwaves and stuff like that, you know, alarm systems and all that. So most of you guys who are watching right now, you have had the incident where somebody hit your TV and then you had a broken screen. My kid came in the morning and then hit the TV. Boom, boom, boom. This is something most of you guys don't know. Just because the TV looks like it has a broken screen, it's not actually broken. So basically, TV is just like a human. You know the way sometimes when you receive a very nice blow on your head or whatever, you pass out and stuff like that, that happens to the TV too. So what I'm trying to say is that if somebody comes and just hits your TV or whatever, or maybe trips and falls on it and stuff like that, and then it appears to be broken, sometimes it's not actually broken, okay? What happens is just an after effect of getting hit. Like I said, if you receive a nice hit on your head or whatever, you pass out for a little bit and then get up like, oh, what happened? Yeah, something like that. That happens to the TV too. So today I'm going to show you that trick. So before you throw away your TV, you can try it, and if it doesn't work, you have to throw away your TV. So the trick that I'm about to show you, it might not work for everybody. It's just something you have to try before throwing away your TV, because like I said, TVs are very, very expensive and you don't want to throw it away before you make sure that it's broken, you know what I mean? Yeah, so the first thing you want to do is you want to grab your TV, just like this, gently. Okay, you don't want to add more damage if it's already broken or whatever. Okay, and then pick it up and then shake it. Like that, okay? Not too hard because you might have baby syndrome. I'm just kidding. Not too hard because you might run some electronics in it. Because if you run electronics, it's not gonna come on, okay? So what happens is that there's some loose connection in there, some type of shortage. So what happens is when somebody hits here, it looks like it's broken, but it's actually disconnected or it's stacking somehow, okay? I don't know how to explain it better, but sometimes that happens. So if that does not work, the shaking of the TV, what you do is find a washcloth or a rag and put some water on it. Just a little bit of water, you don't want to soak your TV in it, you know, we're not giving it a bath, okay? Just, you want to do it like that, like that, like that. And then, rub your TV gently, okay? What we're trying to do right now is we're trying to get the connection back, you know, where it's loose. So you want to push hard, but not too hard. If you push too hard, you're going to break your TV, and we don't want to break your TV. So as you can see, when I'm doing like this, you can see the lighting on the TV, right? Like that. Like that, okay? Okay, like that, like that. Apply a little bit of pressure, like that. Okay, like that. Just like that. Sometimes you might have to do this for an hour. But sometimes less than that, you never know. So I've been doing this for the last 90 minutes. So what we're gonna do is turn off the TV and see if it works, okay? Well, I hope it works. If it doesn't work, I'm gonna have to throw it away. So let's turn off the TV. Turn off the TV. Wait a few seconds, and then turn it on. Why is it not turning on? Okay, there you go. Okay, it's turning on, turning on. Turning on, turning on. As you can see, you can already see this. No. Let's click Netflix. I don't have TV service. So, let's see. Turn like Netflix. On the remote, you know, Netflix. As you can see, the crack is gone, okay? It was just a loose connection. You can see it works, all that. We click on that. What's going on here? Okay, you can see there's no more cracks, okay? So sometimes it's just an effect the TV gives after a blow or whatever you want to call it, you know. Boom! Yeah, that. It's just an effect. But if that does not work for you, you might have to throw away your TV or get a technician like me to come and replace your TV screen and stuff like that. But that's going to cost you. So, anyways, thank you for watching. Again, my name is Keith Lee, and have a nice day. I hope this method works for you, but it might not work for everybody. Like I said, it's just the last option to try before throwing away your TV. Have a nice day.